ज्यादातर एयर फ्रेशनर्स आपको फूल दिखाकर अप्रैल फूल बना रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये देते हैं आपको केमिकल वाली खुशबू। पेश है 100% ऑर्गेनिक कपूर से बना कैंप्योर कूल। हर सांस में पाए कुदरत के असली गुण, जो करे बासीपन को दूर और लाए सेफ और फ्रेश खुशबू। अब केमिकल से भरे एयर फ्रेशनर्स हटाओ और लाओ 100% ऑर्गेनिक कैंप्योर कूल।
Hello everyone, so today I'm going to talk about Indian Sage. This Indian Sage comes in the packet of 4 bundles and each bundle weighs around 25 grams. So how it looks like this. And I tell you that it is used to remove any sort of negative energy which is related to evil's eye, your own negative energy which has come through your own thoughts or clutter in the space or any whatsoever is the reason. It is very important to remove negative energy from house, and that thing cannot be done by incense. People light incense, but actually they do it for fragrance, okay? So for fragrance, you can light essential oils and you can, like have fragrance in your room, but that is not going to remove negative energy, right? So what is going to remove negative energy is lighting Sage bundle. So I do it like twice or thrice a week when I feel that energy is there. Even like when you don't feel that any kind of heaviness or some negativity is happening in your life, you can still do it. So what you have to do is you have to light this bundle like this. And I have used this bundle before also. So what you have to do is you have to burn this fume and first cleanse your aura. You start from your head, and then you can clean your house, every corner and space. You can clean your crystals, you can clean your wallet, anything with the fume of this. This is going to remove any sort of negative energy. You may find that some the fragrance of this is strong, but that is okay, because to remove negative energy you need some strong fragrance. You don't need very subtle fragrance, because for fragrance there are certain number of oils and different things, and people are using chemicals which are causing even more harm. So I do prefer burning natural things. You also start using this natural sage inside your home, cleaning your aura and remove all sort of negative energy to bring prosperity and abundance in your life. Thank you. And you can use this bundle again if you want to use. Sprinkle some water on this, the fume would go off. Pack this in plastic bag and you can use it again. Thank you.